Breaking news. This is your reporter Nate Long with CNN, Fox, NBC News. We have discovered a treatment-resistant strain of Neisseria gonorrhoeae, and it has been identified as an international problem. Cooperation worldwide is needed in order to monitor and hopefully stop the spread of the STD gonorrhea. We have an exclusive interview with Dr. Gonococcus now.
My name is Dr. Gonococcus. I have been asked here today to talk to you about Neisseria gonorrhoeae. This is an STD, which for those of you that don't know, means sexually transmitted disease, which causes gonorrhea. It is able to infect both men and women through sexual interactions. Sometimes it's asymptomatic, which can mean that it doesn't have any symptoms, but at other times it may have many symptoms, including painful urination, increased discharge from the vagina for women, discolored discharge from the penis for men. But there's good news. Gonorrhea can be cured, assuming you have the right treatment. One such treatment is ceftriaxone, which has been known to be one of the last treatments that we have to treat gonorrhea. This is because the STD is becoming increasingly hard to treat. There's an increasing amount of drug-resistant strains of gonorrhea, even some to ceftriaxone. Those forms of gonorrhea are what this study is investigating. The best way to stay sexually safe is to use condoms and be in a mutually monogamous relationship with a long-term negative tested partner. That's all I have for you today, folks. Just remember, stay gonorrhea free, because that's the best way to be.
Thank you, Dr. Gonococcus. Now, to proceed through this study, we're going to need to follow 4 steps. First, scientists need to positively identify bacterium taken from infected individuals as Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Second, then they confirmed drug resistance of the gonorrhoeae bacterium through tests to determine antimicrobial susceptibilities, or likeliness that the drug treatment eliminates the bacterium. Third, and finally, using tests named ETES and agar dilution method, scientists have found the lowest concentration of a chemical that prevents visible growth of the bacterium, which represents effectiveness of the drug as a treatment. And fourth, following those steps, genomic analysis was then completed, which is identification of certain DNA features of a minuscule scale. Now, from various known cases of gonorrhea worldwide, the relatedness of the bacterium from each case was determined. Specifically, the strains from infected individuals in Japan and from Australia were observed. Scientists isolated DNA from the cells. They then organized the DNA. This explains a few things. First, a close genetic relationship was found between the isolates of Neisseria gonorrhoeae, that those bacterium may potentially cause major problems by having no cure. International transmission of these drug-resistant bacterium seem to go undetected. Many times, when gonorrhea is identified, it is not checked for drug resistance. When treating cases, a dual therapy of the drugs ceftriaxone and azithromycin was shown to be a successful solution. Overall, scientists like Dr. Gonococcus want us all to be safe and educated, so make sure to follow the tips that he provided here.